For as long as we've looked at the night sky, it's always been home to endless mysteries. But recently, something stranger than ever has been circulating. UFOs have arrived on Earth, and exactly where no one expected, above America. There have been multiple reports from witnesses who claim they saw strange lights in the sky that couldn't have been airplanes or meteors. Some are convinced these were not from this world. Video footage of drones flying with unusual behavior in the sky has emerged, and the question is, could this be something out of this world? Some even believe these unidentified flying objects might be the result of advanced technology sent by Iran. Claims have been made that Iran sent these UFOs for surveillance, or perhaps to demonstrate their cutting-edge space technology, but for now, we have no concrete evidence. After multiple sightings and reports, where some witnesses insisted that the UFOs they observed were from distant galaxies, the US government immediately got involved. These reports have been covered widely in the media, with some going as far as to openly claim that the UFOs might have been sent by Iran. According to certain experts, Iran could have launched these advanced drones into the atmosphere for espionage, or to show off their space tech prowess. This narrative has caught public attention. However, the question remains, could these UFOs really be tied to one nation on Earth? However, despite all these claims, investigations have shown there's no concrete proof that these mysterious flying objects over the US are connected to Iran. Pentagon spokespersons have clearly stated that no such drone activity from Iran has been detected. In fact, many experts have speculated that such claims might just be a tactic to divert attention, especially given the political and military tensions between major world powers like the US and Iran. But why do such rumors emerge, especially about Iran and UFOs? Digging deeper, we realize that in politically sensitive times, misinformation or exaggerated interpretations of certain events tend to spread quickly in the media. This can either be intentional or accidental. In today's world, where global political and economic relationships are at their most complex, rumors like this can easily be weaponized to shift public focus and influence political discourse. Also, these rumors keep people curious and eager to find the truth about something so mysterious, which makes them perfect for spreading across media channels. So, are aliens really here on Earth? Can Iran's technology explain these mysterious flying objects? Or is this just part of a much bigger media game meant to distract and confuse us? These are questions that continue to puzzle us, and while the truth may one day be revealed, for now, the mystery remains unsolved.